Dear aspirant, the preparation for any exam, keeping in mind the previous year questions, becomes easier, and at the same time it never allows you to get deviated from the exact pattern of the exam. Previous year questions help you in picking and choosing which key areas should be taken seriously and which should not. However, this is not fully applicable to the descriptive English paper, as the questions to be asked in the actual exam are based on the current facts and events. However, there are some previously asked questions which may stand relevant. Let's take a few essay topics though asked previously seem still important for preparation. Friend, in 2019, the essay section got the highest weightage. It carried 40 marks and the rest two sections on Pressy and RC carried 30 marks each. The word limit for essay was 300. Now, let's take a few topics that were asked in RBI Grade B exam in the same year in 2019. They were higher education, stress among youth, NBFC loan collection issues, democracy and importance of vote, a scope of 5G technologies in India. All these topics are still relevant, and so you should prepare all these. Dear friend, you must bear in mind that a topic may be asked in different ways. Let's take the example of a scope of 5G technologies in India. This topic may be asked as limitations of 5G technologies, or as fifth generation mobile networks, challenges and future research, or as benefits and effects of 5G technologies, or as 5G technologies can be called a real wireless world. Do you agree? Or as 5G technology is a real revolution in the world of science and technology, or as how will 5G technology power India's future? So on and so forth. You must note that all topics cannot be dealt with in the same manner. You must satisfy the topic with the relevant content. So, you are advised to prepare one master essay satisfying various topics. It will make you feel easy in the exam. If you take a look at the previous year topic higher education, this topic is still relevant. This topic may be variously asked as a scope of higher education in India, or as quality concerns in higher education in India, or as does higher education in India need reforms, etc. Dear aspirant, in most cases it so happens that the topics asked are generally common but seem twisted, which makes you confused. Please take the essay topic as a whole. Never take any key word into consideration for essay. Each and every word in the essay topic conveys some specific message. What you have to do is to comprehend the topic properly and make an outline before you switch to writing on it. If you take a look at another essay topic, stress among youth, this topic is also important. At least it tells you to frame some essays keeping the youth the focal point. The youths have to face so many issues, such as the issue of being jobless, the issue of facing fierce competition, the issue of being underemployed, the issue of family pressure, the issue of education of poor quality, etc., etc. All these can be framed as essay topics. If you take a look at the next essay topic that was asked in RBI Grade B Descriptive English paper in 2019, it was democracy and importance of vote. This topic tells you to be prepared on those issues relating to the Indian politics, such as is there democracy or mobocracy in India, or challenges to Indian democracy, or future of Indian democracy, or the secular face of India, etc. So friend, in this way you need to guess out the essay topics to be asked and apply yourself to prepare those likewise in your own language after sufficient collection of facts and figures in support of the essays from various sources. Thus, if you count the essay topics that I have newly framed, around 20 essay topics taking the previous year essay topics into account. Hope this will definitely suffice. All the best. Friend, Bankviz provides you with actual platform for descriptive English paper and a free practice for ESI and FM. Please come on the platform and take benefit out of this. Thank you.